How do we find value in today's market? We're asking Garrett Goggin, Associate Editor for Gold Stock Analyst here at Gold Stock Analyst Day in Florida. Garrett, good to have you back on.
Thank you, Daniela. We're really happy you were able to join us again this year.
Thank you. We're happy to be here. Garrett, I know I always ask you, where do you see gold? And you tell me, look, I'm not a fortune teller. I know you're not, but you definitely know how to find value.
Right.
So tell us a little bit about, what you do. What's your due diligence?
Right. What we can control, we can't really control where the price of gold and silver are going. We're not really sure. We're optimistic. We believe the price of gold and silver will be going higher. But what we're really good at is the fundamental analysis to be able to look at companies on a free cash flow EV basis in order to basically find the companies that are undervalued today at today's current gold and silver prices.
So who are you liking these days?
There's a couple companies that jump out at you. Fortuna Mining is one of them. They have the San Jose project, and then they also have the Lindero project, and Lindero is not fully factored into their valuation yet. Timmins Gold, it's a smaller company. It's in Mexico. If they can just manage San Francisco okay and generate a little bit of free cash. But their Ana Paula project is extremely creative, 340 million NPV basically, and Timmins is only trading at a $130 million market cap. That's what we're looking at. And
I know John Duty had a lot to say on Northern Dynasty, and I'll ask him about that later on. But let's talk about gold versus silver. Silver, up for a 9th straight week here, up close to 12% since the start of the year. Is it really the metal we should be paying more attention to right now, Garrett?
Yeah, I think it depends on your personality type and what sort of investor you are. Silver is more volatile, and the silver stocks add an extra level of volatility, even beyond silver. Gold's a little bit more conservative for a precious metal investment. The margins are a lot higher for a gold miner versus a silver miner, and that's what makes the silver miners really volatile, is that their cash costs, their all-in sustaining cash cost margins are tighter, so that when the silver price starts going higher, their free cash flow starts multiplying exponentially, and the stocks just go through the roof.
Finally, Garrett, we're at Gold Stock Analyst Day. We're headed to a few other conferences. You'll be at PDAC with me as well. What do you feel the sentiment's like in the mining space right now?
I think people are pretty optimistic right here. At the beginning of 2016, it was pretty dire. A lot of companies were tapping the market via equity and debt. Now the prices, gold and silver, has moved higher. The margins are slightly higher. Companies are generating free cash flow. They're able to basically finance a lot of their production and exploration on their own, and they're in a stable place. And everyone's optimistic about higher prices.
Garrett, thanks so much for stopping by. Thank you.
Excellent. Thanks, Daniela. Thanks for being here.
And thanks for watching our coverage here from Gold Stock Analyst Day in Florida. We'll have much more for you, so be sure to stay tuned to Kitco.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Garrett.
Excellent.
It was a pleasure.
Yep.
Thank you.